Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, we have a new study that just shows that Uber has been secretly lowering rates for drivers, and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna expose the truth. So please thumbs up the video. Before we jump in, did want to thank our video sponsor, Car Products USA. So if you are an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or you just own a car, you might find yourself shopping for products to help keep your car clean or to help maintain your vehicle. Well, at carproductsusa.com, you can find products to help you with your experience as a driver. Maybe you need a new phone mount, maybe you need a new phone charger, car vacuums, dash cams, car fresheners, organizing products, jump starting kits, car floor mats. Basically, they got everything that you need for your car. So you can use our unique discount code Rideshare Hub for an additional discount. And right now it's 20% off. So like this, the steering wheel cover is already on sale. Well, it's gonna be an additional percentage off when you use our link. So go check it out. They've got even cool keychains, first aid kits, cleaning supplies. carproductsusa.com. Thank you for sponsoring the video, and let's move on. So Uber and Lyft drive, so there's a new study that just came out of UCLA. Uber and Lyft driver pay isn't keeping up with soaring fares, study show. So I talked about, or I titled this video how Uber's cutting rates. Well, they're basically raising the prices for passengers, but not paying drivers more, which is a little interesting. So Uber and Lyft driver pay isn't keeping up with soaring fares, study says. You've probably noticed a steep increase in the ride-sharing fares you pay, but your drivers haven't necessarily received the benefits. UCLA Labor Center researchers have published a study indicating that median Uber and Lyft fares increased by 50% between February 19 and April 2022. But median driver pay only climbed 31%. Well, where's that 20% going? It's going to this guy right here and people who work at Uber. Do you guys know how much this guy's worth? Well, that's the old CEO. But the current CEO, Darko Shasari, he's worth what? 200 million, 107 million bucks, 83 million, whatever the sources say. This one says 250 million. I want to know what this guy's house looks like. He's got a massive mansion, I'm sure. He probably drives a Ferrari. Oh, people actually protested outside of his house in San Francisco. Yeah, a house like that in San Francisco in the city, it looks like, is probably worth several $millions. Oh, 17.7 million bucks. Holy crap. So the Uber CEO's basically mansion in the city of San Francisco. If you've ever been to San Francisco, you know that these houses in the middle of the city are, I mean, they're crazy. They're like mansion townhomes in the middle of the city. His is worth $17 million. That's crazy. And he makes money off of drivers, right? That's how they make their money. The company's profits reportedly jumped from 9% to 20% over the 3-year span. Yeah, Uber recently said that they just had one of their best quarters ever. Uber just announced results for fourth quarter and full year 2022. They said that they have their best quarter ever. If you look at the news, it says Uber beats estimate and the stock is up. Uber stock pops 11%. How are they doing that? Well, they're increasing their margins by charging riders more and paying drivers less. That's how they're succeeding, my friends. So I wanted to make this quick video just to show you guys that, you know, if you are thinking about doing Uber long term, they're literally making money off of paying you less. That's kind of their plan, and how they plan to do better as a company is increase the prices for passengers, decrease the pay for drivers. So just wanted to, you know, make you all aware of that. That is what they're doing. That's not a secret. It's literally right out here in the open. So maybe Uber might not be a great long-term career for you, and I really don't think it is. Maybe it's good to get out of debt real quick and move on with your life. That's kind of what I think it is, and along the way you might stumble upon my videos. But Regardless, thank you for watching, and please go check out carproductsusa.com. That's carproductsusa.com to get the best car cleaning products, best products to help you in your journey as a driver. Maybe you need a new phone mount, a new phone charger. Car vacuum is really good for when your passengers leave crumbs in your back seat and you just need something quick. Like this one's only $19.99. But go check it out. Might need a dash cam to help you to prevent deactivations. Actually really cheap dash cams here. There's one for only $39.99. So go check it out, carproductsusa.com. Make sure to use our discount code for an additional discount. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and let me know your thoughts on this new study. Thanks for watching. Bye now.